In the majestic Himalayas of Uttarakhand lie the four sacred abodes known as the Char Dham, Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath. These divine destinations are believed to cleanse the soul, remove past karmas, and lead devotees toward moksha. Yamunotri Dham, the sacred source of river Yamuna. Dedicated to goddess Yamuna, this holy dham symbolizes purity, protection, and devotion. Surrounded by snow-covered peaks and serene silence, Yamunotri marks the spiritual beginning of the Char Dham Yatra. Gangotri Dham. Gangotri, the place where Mother Ganga descended to earth. This sacred site represents compassion, salvation, and divine grace. Flowing from the Himalayas, the holy Ganga blesses millions, making Gangotri one of Hinduism's most revered shrines. Kedarnath Dham. Kedarnath, the powerful abode of Lord Shiva. One of the 12 Jyotirlingas, Kedarnath stands high in the Himalayas as a symbol of strength, renunciation, and eternal faith. Devotees believe that darshan here grants liberation and spiritual awakening. Badrinath Dham. Badrinath, the divine seat of Lord Vishnu. Nestled between the Nar and Narayan mountain ranges, this sacred dham radiates peace and divine energy. Badrinath completes the Char Dham Yatra, blessing devotees with fulfillment and inner peace. Char Dham Yatra by helicopter. Experience the sacred Char Dham Yatra with unmatched comfort and convenience through our helicopter pilgrimage. Fly over breathtaking Himalayan landscapes, sacred rivers, and untouched valleys, saving time and avoiding strenuous road journeys. Helicopter and safety features. Advanced AS350EB3H125 helicopters, specially designed for high altitude and hill flying. All pilots are ex-Indian Air Force professionals, ensuring the highest standards of safety and precision. All helicopters are new, supported by expert maintenance teams for a smooth and secure journey. Spiritual privileges and experiences. Enjoy VIP darshans at all temples, allowing more time for prayer and reflection. Participate in sacred rituals, including Maha Abhishek at Badrinath and Rudra Abhishek at Kedarnath. Optional Ganga Aarti at Haridwar adds a deeply moving spiritual experience. Comfort and inclusions. The tour begins from Dehradun with airport pickup and drop. Stay in luxury accommodations with Jain meals and all meals included. Palki service at Yamunotri, local sightseeing, Mana village visit, and complimentary duffel bags are part of the experience. Mana village sightseeing visit. Mana village, the last Indian village near the Indo-Tibetan border. Explore the origin of river Saraswati and the legendary Swar Ki Seedhi, believed to be the path to heaven. Char Dham land packages. For devotees who prefer a traditional pilgrimage, we offer well-planned Char Dham land packages. Choose a 12-day Char Dham Yatra ex-Delhi or a 9-day Char Dham Yatra ex-Dehradun or Haridwar. Flexible options and categories. We also offer Do Dham and Ek Dham land packages. Packages are available in luxury, premium, executive, and deluxe categories designed to suit every comfort level and budget. Whether by helicopter or by road, every journey is guided with care, devotion, and excellence. Begin your sacred Char Dham Yatra with blessings on the net.com, where faith meets flawless planning.